Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2020 Chevy Traverse 1LZ Redline Edition. This all-wheel drive Traverse comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your black Chevy decals, back tinted windows, and 20-inch custom aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose speaker audio system throughout the entire vehicle. Jet black leather seating with a tan lining. We have our dual sunroof, a Chevy MyLink radio, heated and cooling seating, your push to talk, a heated steering wheel, front collision alert, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.